Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by to check out this demo. My name is Eric Duchant, and together with Dana Kemplar and Mira Pranav, we are Team Pacific Automation for the Documate Law for Everyone Challenge. Documate, if you're not familiar with it, is a fantastic, easy-to-use tool where you build a question and answer type survey that then takes the answers and inputs into a custom drafted document in Word or a PDF form. Our project for the competition was a CCPA Notice at Collection automatic document drafter. Businesses that collect information on residents of California are required to disclose the fact that they are collecting this information and the purposes to which it will be used. Violation of certain sections of the CCPA can be upwards of $7,500 per occurrence and or $750 per person for intentional violations of information disclosure or security breaches. So let's go take a look and see how it works. Okay, so here we are, and we're going to use this link to get the Documate tool going, and you can draft the questions and follow-ups any way you like. So the first thing we need to check is are you actually collecting information on California residents? And then there's a handful of requirements that we vetted that are places a business into the category to be susceptible to CCPA. So, you know, a certain dollar amount or a certain customer number, or are you in the business of simply just buying and selling information? In our test case, we're an up-and-coming coupon collection service that is trying to build a collection of customers and hopefully be able to make money on advertising. So we're going to provide this notice to consumers, and then put the company name in, who is our privacy officer. Okay, and then what is the telephone number? And then we need our website. Okay. All right, so there's 11 categories in the CCPA, different types of information. So depending on whether it's simply names and addresses, or is it going to be physical characteristics or other more important information, we're just going to go through the list here. So this for employers might be more important once they start collecting statutorily required categories of information. Products and services purchased, biometric information, network and website activity, actual location. This can be tracked if you press allow on a tool that you use. Sensory information, employment, and we keep going. So quick and easy. You have the ability to check and change all your answers as you go through, and then we will generate a document. So automatically you can have it sent to an email address if you like. We're going to take a look at the PDF. And here it goes. So here's our company, Coupon Clippers. It's a disclosure about what the CCPA requires you to do. This applies to consumers and users. If this was employees, that would be different. And here are the yes/no questions we clicked for the different types of information. And then we inputted our company name. Here it is again. And then the name of the security and CCPA disclosure officer at the company, and then the telephone number gets automatically put into the document. So super easy to use, and we'll check out the behind the curtains in just a moment. So here's the Documate platform, easy to use. You can see here's our first question. You can select what type of question is it. Right here it's a yes, no. Is it required or not? Can people skip it? Or if they leave it blank, can they not proceed? and then you see if they did answer no. So we didn't see this part in the demo because we answered yes, but if you answered no, it just says you're not collecting information on California residents, so you don't need this. But then you can see as you just go through, here are the different, that's a combo box, the different types of pages and answers that can be used, and then the multiple choice, and then of course filling in the blanks is right here. You upload your output document right here to give a template to the tool, and then from there it's pretty simple. Okay, here's the final step of the project. So you draft a document in Word, and then you have all your different options. Anyone who's ever worked in contract templates will recognize when something's in brackets, sometimes it's, add or subtract or use what's appropriate. You use the same methods here, except for you get the Documate add-in right here, and it will pop up this window, which is pretty easy to use. And so right here, my document came up with my company name all in uppercase letters because I told it to. This is an if-then. If the question to consumer or employee is employees and job applicants, which is a click-down two-option menu that we have, it will input this text ending with this right here. If they put in consumers, then it puts that in. And then it tells it to put the company name in. Our privacy policy URL goes there. The company name follows up on this paragraph. And then everything that we clicked yes, no is right here. Beginning and end. And if we would have answered no to any of these questions, these would have been left out. And then you get to the bottom, and then here's our company name again. There's the privacy officer name and the phone number. Super easy to use, and we hope this actually can help some companies out create some documents without having to manually input them. So thanks for your time.